Hello, this is Brandon Christy from Christy Capital Management with a June 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that have influenced markets in May and give you some insight into what they could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The Federal Reserve was at the top of Wall Street's mind again in May. Though the central bank voted to hold rates steady in April, the official minutes from the meeting show that the Fed is much closer to raising rates than most experts had predicted. The report showed that the Fed is moving away from its cautious stance and is open to raising rates as soon as June or July if economic data shows healthy growth. The change in the Fed's official stance surprised many experts who weren't expecting an interest rate hike until fall or winter 2016. Remarks by Fed Chair Janet Yellen endorsed the views expressed in the official minutes. Yellen supports a rate hike within the next few months as long as economic growth picks up and the economy continues to produce jobs. Though Yellen thinks the labor market has come a long way, her concern over sagging wage growth and low productivity growth indicate that the Fed economists are watching more than headline unemployment. A revised estimate of first quarter economic growth might give the Fed the ammunition it needs to raise rates this summer. The May estimate of GDP growth shows the economy grew 0.8% last quarter, up from the last estimate showing 0.5% growth. Though the pace of growth was significantly slower than at the end of 2015, the new data shows that spending on business inventories and home building surged, boosting growth. The current unofficial estimate of second quarter growth stands at 2.9%, indicating that the economy picked up speed in the spring. Will the uptick in economic growth guarantee a summer rate hike by the Fed? Well, opinions are mixed. Some experts think the economy looks healthy enough for a rate increase. Others think that global headwinds like a strong dollar, Britain's vote on leaving the EU, and China will be enough to give the Fed pause. We'll know more after the mid-June Federal Open Market Committee meeting. As always, we'll keep you informed. Well, that's it for the June Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 866-331-7749. Well, this is Brandon Christy with Christy Capital Management and your June Educational Economic Update.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.